differentiable on the open interval. Okay.
Is this a
Then
closed interval?
that's a closed interval. It's stating that there is a function, so for a closed interval, that there is an absolute max and an absolute min. So that's all it's saying, is that there has to be an absolute max and an absolute min.
Because it's closed.
Because it's closed. So there's an ultimate high or ultimate, if it's open, then it's just a relative max or min.
Can there be a relative in closed?
Yes.
There's max and in relative.
So
right?
like.
Okay, I just make sure I understand. Right. So this would be.
Yeah. Relative. That one's a little lower, so that would be absolute. And that would be absolute. That would be relative. Okay.
Okay. So do we have to write this?
I will probably say that it's continuous. I'll give you that information so that you can use EBT.
Okay. So what are we gonna have to do?
You're going to have to find the absolute max and the absolute min.
Like looking at a graph?
Oh, like a table or something like, kind of like what we had on number 1. So it would be like 2 is -1, 4 is 5, 5 is 7, and then 6 is -2. So this is your x, this is your f of x. F is continuous on the closed interval from 2 to 6. What is the absolute max? What is the absolute min? Grab a poster, write your own.
Okay, so then the max would be this.
So that would be the absolute max.
And why is that the absolute max? Because the y is something
-2.
Okay.
That simple.
Okay, so that's one question.
Okay.
That was very easy. Like, we're gonna get this chart? We're gonna get the chart?
Don't take videos of me. Seriously.
Just your hands. You're wonderful.
Then, mean value theorem. Okay, again, it says that f is continuous on the closed interval and differentiable on the open interval. And it says that f prime of some number c is equal to f of b minus f of a over b minus a. To do this, I'm going to give you a function f.
Why is b in front of a? Just because?
That's just an equation.
No, I don't get it. Alright, I got you.
Okay. So, and on a closed interval from -1 to 3, something like that. I don't know how pretty it's going to be, but we'll go with it.
You just have to plug these in, right? This is
So,
A and that's B, and then you plug
yes,
it in,
this
and then
is A.
just when I did 1
That's
minus,
why they, okay.
I mean 3 minus -1.
So we have f of 3 minus f of -1 over 3 minus a -1. The equals our derivative, so that would be 3x squared minus 4. Okay, so you're looking for the value that makes them equivalent. So the f of 3 you plug back into the original to find the, so 3 cubed is 27 minus 4 times 3, which is 12, so that would be, and then -1 cubed is negative, and that would be a positive, so that would be,
No. 3? Okay, no.
okay, so that means that this would be 10 over 4, or reduces to 5 over 2. So now we're looking for, yes, and we're looking for the x that would give us that, so we'd add, and this is not very pretty.
Do what?
I mean, it's not, because I just made it up. Then you solve for x. So when we take the square root, though, it's going to give us a plus or minus. We just need to see it is in our interval.
Wait, so we're looking for just one y value?
Isn't he right? Isn't it?
It's the x value. And then then you, once you get the number, so you get your x, then you,
That's your answer?
yes.
And so you plug that X into the original.
So after you
No,
solve
I
it,
thought you
that's
plugged
when
it
you
in
plug
the
it back in?
No, this, for f of x, you always plug it back into the original.
So, I thought you just said, oh, we're solve for x.
Solve for x with using the derivative, and then to get the ordered pair, you plug the x value, whatever it is, back in to the original.
Oh, so that's when, this is what you plug back in over there, right?
Yeah, so whatever, and we're going to plus or minus square root of something.
And then that would be the alphabet.
So all you did was, you had your two things, you took you said, you plugged them in, you set it equal to the derivative, put it in, you did it, and you just kept going.
Make sense?
Yes.
But you plug it into this equation, in the, right here.
Yes, because that's not f prime, that's just f.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Alright.
Okay, that's MVT,
MVT. What was the last one?
EVT. And then we had the IVT from,
Yeah, I remember that. What is the IVT?
no,
What is, wait,
IVT
M?
solve.
E,
What's E stand for?
extreme
Extreme.
value.
Pair. Oh, that's the dot, dot, dot. Never mind.
Alright, right.
Well, I get this, but like, I feel like I lost it.
EVT was just the graph.
Yeah.
Turn into page 154.
Honestly, I don't know if there's,
Gave me a grade.
shouldn't give you any grades because I haven't put any grades for that page in there. So I must have missed a row. So it's a grade, that's all.
Pretty much she's telling you you have a zero and
Something else.
you didn't turn it in.
Okay, so we're on a interval, so,
Here, chainsaw.
What's this?
to make something up. This is curve sketching.
Is this the last
Is this
part?
gonna be on the quiz?
So what we did yesterday?
Today, the assessment.
Yesterday and today, yes. So we have,
I don't have, okay, teach me now.
let's see, negative 2 less than, no, x less than 1, 1 less than x less than
Curve sketching.
2, 2, and 2 less than x less than 3. Okay, so then, yeah. So if this is negative, this is negative, this is positive. I'm making stuff up.
Yeah, she's just filling it in.
0, 0. So that, I mean, not x, y is less than 0, below the x-axis. This is saying that I'm going down because it's decreasing because it's negative. This is saying that I'm concave up because f double prime is positive. So from here, I just pick a point at negative 2 that has to be negative. So I'm going anywhere. I'm going down and it's concave up. Okay? Then this does not exist.
Wait, why'd you stop it? I thought it was, when you go to 1?
Then we're still negative. positive, so this has to be a sharp turn because it does not exist here. So this is negative something goofy, I don't know. It's going all the way, that was -1, so now it has to go all the way back up to 0. Not very pretty. Okay, then this was positive, so that means it's above the x-axis. Then this is positive, so that means it's going to be
Up.
upwards,
So it'd be
and then
concave down.
something like that. I don't know.
Is that all we have to do?
So what do we need to do? We don't even have to really worry about the numbers.
Well, I should have plotted it 1, -3, and this would be. So this was 1, -3. This is 2, 0, and those are the only real order pairs that I have.
How did you get the -3 though?
I made it up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the
So
entire chart is
everything,
made up.
this is all going to be given